We have a Porsche 911 in for a pin to drive immobiliser. Let's show you how it all works. So, if you try and start the vehicle, completely dead. Nothing at all on the key. So what we do is ignition on. I'll now enter the customer's demo code. Get a flash of the main beam light. Foot on the brake. Now we can start. So this is the immobiliser in action. As soon as you switch it off, 5 seconds later, automatically rearms. So if you try and start it again now, completely dead. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.